Hi, in this video so I'm going to show you how you can check the oil level on your Citroen C3. This is a 2021 model. So we have a dipstick just here, so make sure you're on a level surface, make sure that the engine is off, make sure that the engine is cold. So if it's been running, let it go cold for about 20-30 minutes to make sure all the oil goes back down to the sump. And if you are low, this is where you fill it up. So this is the oil filler cap here. You turn it counterclockwise and it just comes off there. So use a funnel and put the oil in there nice and gently. But obviously only do it bit by bit and give it time. So if you're below the low level, maybe put a pint or half a litre in and then let that go down for a good 10-15 minutes to get to the sump and then check again. So this is the dipstick here. We're just going to take it out now. We have an old rag so we can wipe it so we can get a true reading. And then we're going to put the dipstick back in. Put it all the way down till it won't go anymore. And now take it out and this will give you your reading now. So if you have a look closely, you can see that there is, if we turn it around the other side, you can see that there's a little mark here and a little mark here. So this is your min, this is your max. You want the oil to be in between that. So you can see right now it's just above halfway, so the oil's around about there. We're just going to give it one more clean because it's a little bit dirty here. We'll put it in one more time and see if we can get a better reading. The oil's very clean as well, so it's a little bit harder to read when it's really clean. Ah, there you go, you can see nice and clearly now. It's about 3/4 full. So that's it. So in this instance, no oil needs to be put in, but if you were below this or even at the very bottom, maybe just put in a pint and then see how much it goes up here. Thanks for watching.